Beat like this, and I get to my juice on top of the fish them also. Nice. It feels like a yeah, my beautiful peeps. So welcome back to Spearfishing with Oden Kitchen, you know what I mean? Yeah man, it's been a while now, I no drop a one catch and cook. So right about now, well, fishing we catch today, yeah, which is my last catch. Yeah man, as you can see, some lovely, yeah man, parrot and lionfish as well, you know. Yeah man, so about to use them, go on with a one catch and cook, you know, any minute from now, you know. So yeah man, some of us want to stick and stay and just watch what go on, you know, just have to get into the action, no whole heap of talking. Yeah man, so let's go wash them off, you know, and some vinegar water, you know. Yeah man, them fresh and ready. Yeah man, try something new, you know. Now I go tell you now how me I go prepare that fish and tell you now see how me prepare it, you know. Yeah man, I want to tell the secret too early. So I'm done with short now my peeps. Time to get them seasoned up and thing, you know. Yeah man. Yeah, so basically I do now I'm just I'll give them a couple slices, you know. Yeah, man, where you season can marinate before me season them up. Yeah man. Like when you eat your fish, you taste season to the bone, you know. I'm kind of way there, you know. The right there now, start get the seasoning of them now with peeps, you know. Finish here now, season up, so you know, get the action started here now. Light up my pot here now, my peeps. You know, no? Yeah, love what go on, you know. Yeah man, so like I say, I get right down into the action here now. Get the fire kick off here now. So stick and stay, don't move a muscle. Yeah man, so fire out here now. Use a big pot of frying, you know. Yeah man. So that's it. Pot go on hot, warm, hot a bit, peeps. Like you see, the title of the video, it's a pineapple brown stew fish. Yeah man, so I just go dive down into the ingredients here now. You know, my little pineapple, sweet pepper and scallion and thyme and my hot pepper and thing. Yeah man, so I just go dive down into them and get them prepare up and thing while the pot are hot. Yeah man, so just you are going. Pineapple, so I will give them some smaller slice, you know what I mean? Yeah. some slice when I'm kind of comfortable with, you know, going into the pot. I want them too small, I don't want them too big. Yeah man, pot hot you know. You know, when you have fried fish, you have to do it the real, authentic Jamaican way. Yeah, man, you know, you have to add your little scotch bonnet pepper to it as well. Yeah, man, add in your garlic as well, you know. Yeah, Chilean. Time, so now, well, I'll give it a little wash off, you know. Regardless, I'm going to wash off back everything, but now, give it time a little wash off my peeps. No joke. Yeah, man. Yeah man, so everything will run smooth, you know. Yeah man, somebody just stick and stay. Yes, the peeps. Yeah man, so we just go right there in our other on the food pot. So basically, I'm going to run some yellow yam banana with it. Yeah, that's going to be the food. Now I put the rice with it, some food. Yeah man, so some pineapple brown stew fish, yam, banana and peas. Yeah man. Yeah man. Other than the pot, you know, food can go and boil up, you know. Just add in a spoon of salt to the pot. Yeah man. Fish them are going, you know. Don't you do me. Man, so right now, vegetable well, season them, prepare up, you know, tomato, thyme, add pepper, pineapple, onion, yeah man, and look more, add Irish peat, one Irish peat as well. water boil up, you know. And the last two fish you have to same here. Man, so I ready up the food pot here now, my peeps. You see fish them all almost done fry. Pour some vinegar in the water, you know. Cut away the dark color of the yam that's in the black, you know, my peeps. Yeah, man, keep them beautiful. So if you know, you know, you just add some vinegar to the water. Like the cooking water, you know. Yeah, man. Cut them right, you know, no one cut them too big. Still no one cut them too thin. Yeah. So add them to the pot here now. Yeah, my people, I eat, you know. That go on, man. Alright. Time to get the banana them now, my peeps. Yeah, man, you know. Last couple of months, guys, I just pure rice and dumpling I eat. Because you don't know the thing go. But the last 6 months you eat. Take time to get out them banana out of the skin, you know, break them up, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so just put them straight in the pot. Straight in the pot. I want to do the cooking outside, you know, to be honest with people, but a lot of rain outside right here now, you know. So we have to switch it from the indoor, you know. Yeah, so I will turn back my attention to the fishing now, so I have to prepare up this rest of season. Like I said, I have add some okra to it. Yeah, man. I'm Irish as well. you cut them some smaller dice up, you know. You know. Come on, so pot up and running again. Prepare up the season the pot and paper. Satisfy with the color of brown, you know. So add some more season to it. So I'm gonna leave it, make it boil up, you know. Then I add in the vegetable. Basically, I'm gonna put the fish in the last, because I want the vegetable them cook out as much as them can. Not too much, but as much as them can, you know. Then I add the fish on it. Put it off, you know. Start boil up my paper. So I make the sauce first, then put the fish them in there. Because let me see them back the fish them already fried. Add in some pineapple. That's my piece. So remember I said it's pineapple brown stew fish, you know? That one a new on the market for me, I try. I know it's going nice because that's it taste from the pineapple itself. You don't know fish are always nice. Any sea fish nice, my peeps. See it? Come on, I did my ketchup, you know. So this to make my sauce, you know. I come more body to my sauce. Then basically add a spoon of sugar to it as well, my peeps. Yeah man, just a spoon. Yeah man, sauce start get little body already. You boil up for another, go and boil up for another 5 minutes. I know if you're doing the fish, then I know I'm going to marinate in with the pineapple taste. Yeah man. So that's it. Do it like this and I get some my juice on top of the fish them also. Now if you taste that one, I can know say bad, but just the aroma from it when I smell, trust me. Everybody know the taste where pineapple give, especially when it's sweet. Yeah man, I tell you, smell nice. Yes, the peeps, so finally finish now, you know? Yeah, man. See it? Yeah. We're going to tell you now, eh? Back off all pot, you know, and start shear out, you know? I'm well cooked out, you know? And banana well soft as well. Yeah. Finally. Yeah, man. See it, my peeps? Yeah. So that's it, you know. Pineapple brown stew fish. Alright, you know, and dive down in it, you know, my peeps? Yeah. Taste the pineapple. Nice. Yeah, man, really eat everything, people. You need to try.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. You need to try some peeps. Make sure you eat off all like pineapple them. So you see it, I have to come off of the seat and get low, you know? So succulent. Nice. So yes, my peeps. I want to say, all for respect, manners, thanks every time. Yeah, man. You stick and stay tuned to that one, yeah. Yeah, man. So basically, we just come to an end to the video, yeah, my peeps. I just want to say enough thanks again. Yeah, man. So until then, we catch up. Yeah, man. Join hands and hands over in our next adventure. Like maybe spearfishing or cooking or some travel for some food or whatever. Until then, yeah, man. Peace out.